Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about focus and white balance. In most digital cameras which comes nowadays has an autofocus system. There are dual pixel autofocus, there are eye autofocus and different kind of autofocus systems are there nowadays. But if you want to take good cinematic shots, then you need to master manual focus. The more control you have on your camera, the better footage you can take. In manual focus, you can achieve good clarity by using three different ways. First, digital zoom, second one peaking, and third one is an external monitor. Digital zoom, you are just digitally zooming the image and you are looking at the details. And in the peaking, which is basically highlighting the edges of high contrast area. And third is using an external monitor to look at if your subject is in focus or not. Manual focus can be mastered over the period of time and practice. So go and do some experimentation, shoot in your manual mode so that you can get more ideas about how the manual exposure or the manual focusing system work. White balance is also very important when it comes to videography. It maintains the temperature of your scene. For a shot inside of a living room or inside of a house, the video is mostly in the tube light condition or normal lighting condition, which varies around 3200 to 3800K. For an outdoor shooting condition, the white balance is around 5600K. It's basically a measuring instrument of how much temperature you have in that particular scene. While in most digital cameras nowadays, we have previously made or auto white balance system. White balance presets that are already made. For example, if you are shooting in a cloudy condition, they have a preset for the clouding condition. If you are shooting an outdoor condition, they have a preset for the outdoor condition. You can choose from the presets according to your shooting condition or the shooting location. Well, now we have completed almost everything about exposure and some of the important technical elements of shooting videos in a DSLR camera. Now it's time to go for shooting videos. Now it's time to do some experimentation. There are so many things that we have talked about in the manual mode, manual exposure. We have talked about manual focusing, and all these can be mastered by a period of time and practice. If you are practicing all this, you will learn a lot in the technical part. But now it's time to move on to the next one, where we'll talk more about shooting videos. So let's move on to the next part.